Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? I'm going to show you how to send documents for signature in DocuSign, making the whole process digital and efficient. First, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, click on the New button located on the left side of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu of actions. From that drop-down, select Upload. This prompts you to choose the document you want to send for signature from your computer. Make sure your document is a supported file type like PDF, Word, or text. Now, add your recipients. Enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign the document in the provided fields. Click the Add Recipient button to add more signers if needed. Next, it's time to place the signature fields. DocuSign will guide you through dragging and dropping the necessary fields, such as signature, date signed, and initials, onto the appropriate places in your document. These are located in the DocuSign toolbar on the left side. Review everything carefully to make sure all the fields are correctly placed and the recipient order is accurate. Finally, click the Send button located at the top right corner of the screen. DocuSign will then email the document to your recipients for their signatures, and that's it. Document sent.